In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting the price of BZFD or Buzzfeed to do and where I'm expecting it to go. Disclaimer is always first, nothing on the channel constitutes financial or professional advice. Having said that, now looking at the chart, these were my yesterday's predictions. So you look at them. This was a beautiful prediction from yesterday. I was expecting the highs to continue to get cleared. I was expecting these highs to get cleared. Exactly what happened. Beautiful. I'm just going to move this to these highs right now. You can see that my prediction was like this. We got some bullish moves, but right now we also have the second scenario that I was expecting a little something like this to happen. But now looking at it on a 10-minute chart, even on the little bit of a higher time frame, my predictions is as follows. So I'm definitely still expecting the price to continue to take out the highs here and whatnot, like this. But also that doesn't change the fact that if the price, whenever just comes into this demand area, I'm definitely still going to expect some bullish moves to continue. But this is just my personal point of opinion. We're going to see how it's actually going to deliver. Let me know your thoughts.